loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mal, and if you guys are new here, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm coming to you as a brand new bitch because I just did my hair and I freaking love it. So I'm gonna be showing you guys kind of like my getting ready with me process doing this blonde unit from Yolova Hair. For those of you that haven't heard of Yolova Hair, they are an online hair company. They have wigs, lots of different types of units, and they're all gorgeous. What I love about the unit that I'm wearing right now is it came pre-customized with 200% density and in 22 inches so that it was a breeze for me to put on, because if I'm being honest, I am not an expert at installing wigs and I personally need something that is beginner friendly. You guys are going to stay tuned and check out exactly how I did this unit. I do apologize because I was kind of bouncing around a little bit throughout the house while I was doing it. I just couldn't figure out what lighting I liked, and because I'm a beginner, I need to be like this close to the mirror when I'm installing my units, but you're gonna see the whole effect. So let's get into this video. I'm gonna show you guys how I installed this beautiful honey blonde unit that has me feeling like Beyonce.
Beyonce. You guys are just jealous because all of my friends that know me tell me that I remind them of Beyonce's.
Narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, take out, no monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna, bouncing nothing, I'm trying to weave an anaconda, jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water, glass, see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald, out, bag of money, knew I gotta have it, savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali, Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage, kill his whole family, do run up with the package, I just put it back on the way to Bogota, poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw, I'm watch out, I don't know if he'll talk, watch out, chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off, they know that we're a gang, but they say that we'll ring, investigating, taking pictures of the whole team, undercover trying to do his thing,
Hey guys! Okay, so we are in the portion of actually putting the hair on. I've already went ahead and sectioned off my hair really sloppily. I don't do anything crazy. I know I should like cornrow my hair down properly, but I actually don't know how to cornrow. So I just put it in 4 braids, and I'm gonna pin these back so that they lay as flat as they can on my head. I have my wig here. I'm very excited to put her on. I will say that when I picked this hair on the website, in the pictures it had like a brown root or like a darker root, and this one doesn't, so I'm a little bit confused if maybe like I picked the wrong one or if it's showing pictures like that but then it's sending you this, because I mean it's not really what I saw. Honestly, I wouldn't have picked out this hair color unless it had a dark root, so fingers crossed that this turns out good. I'm sure it will, but I'm a little nervous. So I did do like some subtle tweezing of the hairline. I really didn't do anything crazy. I don't really know how. I kind of just do what I can. And now I'm gonna put this wig on. So let's do it. So the process of putting on my wig cap is just like any other, so I'm actually gonna fast forward to this part and I will come back when I'm done. Okay, so far so good. I am gonna just trim a little bit off this front area, but she's looking pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little foundation on the top of this unit. Just using this foundation powder. not gonna lie, something that I kind of wish I would have done before starting this install was purple shampoo the wig. I was going to, and then I was like, no, I just want to show like the natural color, but kind of wish I did, because like I said, I just feel like Goldilocks with this damn hair. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, I'm sorry guys. I was doing my hair in the bathroom and I just like wasn't loving how the lighting was looking. I felt like it was making the hair look extremely warm, and I feel like this is a better representation of what it really looks like. I have been straightening the hair. I only just started, but look at how cute she looks. I mean, a lot better than this side. I've been absolutely hating my job lately, and I had to keep taking breaks while I was filming this video because I work from home, and although I'm on a break, it's like I'm still getting messages, I'm still getting calls. I don't know. I just lately have been getting super anxious when I wake up because I know that I need to start working, and I almost always wake up to like a message from one of my coworkers asking me to do A, B, C, and D at like 8 in the morning, and I start work at 9, so I don't want you to message me at 8 in the morning. And it's so intrusive because I have these apps on my phone, on my computer, and it's like I feel like I can never escape. It's not a huge deal, but I just have been feeling really overwhelmed, and I felt like I needed to share that. So if you guys are feeling overwhelmed and frustrated, I am here with you. Okay, back to doing this hair. Honestly, you guys, I'm kind of feeling this hair color now. I really wasn't sure about it for like the first 40 minutes of putting it on my head. What you see? The hairline is looking really good, you guys. And I'm ready to cut this lace off. Not even gonna lie to you guys, I am nervous as hell. Okay, so I cut off the lace. I realized that I kind of made a mistake and I should have tinted this part before I put it on, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna use an eyeshadow palette and cover it. Usually I just use like a brown eyeshadow. I'm just gonna use this one. It's a little bit darker than my skin tone, but that's okay because I find that sometimes it needs to be for it to show up. So let's try this. See it just like disappearing? I kind of feel like I made this part darker, but it's fine because I'm gonna fix it. I'm back again. Better lighting because it was looking kind of dim. I'm really feeling this hairline. I mean, I don't know if I can say completely undetectable, but I would say it looks pretty damn good, and I'm not the best at doing installs, but I'm pretty proud of myself. I think at the front I want to just flip this out. I'm gonna finish up touching my makeup a little bit, and then I'll come back and show you guys like a final look of what this hair looks like. And yeah, I can't stop looking at it. I feel like I need to force my man to take me somewhere now because I look cute. I feel like this is a good place to end this video, and honestly, I am beyond impressed in how this hair turned out. I really didn't have high expectations. I'm always so nervous when it comes to blonde, but I also wanted to try something new, and that's why I picked up this unit from Yolova Hair. So shout out to Yolova Hair. Thank you so much for sending me this unit, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know I was kind of bouncing around, but it turned out so well at the end of it. So thanks for watching, and if you enjoy these types of videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!
Got the club moving like a golf cart. She gon' like me when I'm hotter like a Pop-Tart. I don't even chop it, now I'm a pop star.